Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Hi, his name is Ivan Azriel Melo. You can call him Melo or simply yours. He's 18 years old, finished high school in the Tiboron National High School with high honors. Taking up Bachelor of Science in Mechatronics Engineering in Batangas State University. His hobbies are playing chess. He's a rated player, giving honor to his former school during his time. He likes spending time playing online games such as Mobile Legends and Genshin Impact. Recently, he achieved the rank of Eagle Scout of the Boy Scout of the Philippines.
I chose engineering because when I was a child, I always think that being an engineer is cool and wanting to become one. Taking engineering now is my way on honoring that dream. 5 years from now, I see myself having small adventures and traveling, even starting working abroad. Or maybe just struggling a regular student.
Thank you for listening. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.